Cyclone Sidr is moving slowly inland. Winds of 240 kilometres an hour uprooted trees and levelled buildings. And local media reports 2 people were killed by falling debris. Liz Nieslos is watching the storm from neighbouring India, and she joins us live from Kolkata with the latest. Liz, what is the latest?
Well, the latest, Fanula, seems to be that India has been spared in this case, and right now Bangladesh is bearing the brunt. As you said, there are very strong winds. It is the middle of the night. It's difficult to really get any firm casualty figures, but government officials in Bangladesh are saying that this time they were much more prepared than in previous disasters. Hundreds of thousands have been sent to shelters, to cement bunkers, which the country had set up years ago. They now have a warning system because, Fanula, this is a country very familiar with the cyclone problem. In 1970, 500,000 people were killed. In 1991, more than 130,000. The government is saying this storm is just as severe as the one in the early 90s, but this time they're more prepared. Fanula?
They are more prepared, it would seem, but as we reported, 10 million people live in coastal regions and there are cyclone shelters for just 500,000. Have they evacuated all those people from the coastal regions, and where have they put them?
Well, they have evacuated many. We don't know how many precisely, but they tell us hundreds of thousands. There are only thousands of these concrete shelters. The country, though, is in a dilemma simply by virtue of its topography. It's low-lying, it's crossed by several major rivers, and when a cyclone like this hits, everywhere the country is extremely vulnerable. Fishermen have been told to stay inside. That was the case here in India when the warning went out. Ports have been closed, and there is a large swath of sea as well as land that has been closed off. So the warning is out. The government says they are prepared, but really it will be in the next few hours, Fanula, that we see really how prepared they were.